Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Katnat ka kot ka khia jong ka sarkar jila hakalai phoi tarik mentau banai kala lingkon arajar kar khandai kalai thu baya ka Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme Phase 4 ringkat bat ka wai par ka scheme ka bala banrap lang kata ka Ayush Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Ayogya Yojana kin sedang trekam purano ha borok wai jila nadu ka sitarik urampang mentau snam arajar kar khandai bat kane ka scheme kan trekam ru wa di kitu kibreu ki bampat penrong kerteng hakathop kerteng joka MHIS. Ya kini lapan pena daun Menteri Sarkar bakmi ya kini katnat uba Alexander Heng ringkat kejinan lang kiwei di kehe officer jong katnat ke kot ke kia. Kini ki skim yang menta kendang terekam tang heki jaka sumar jong ke Sarkar ki badan sispa san puai terli baro. Bat ke Sarkar menta kadang penkreru ban yasoi soskular sabat ki hospital jong ki riushman henang banna ban peterekam kini ki skim wat hakiwei di ki hospital. Hakani ka kenti ki ba pendong kerteng haka MHIS Phase 4 kan long ya borok ki dekhot jong kalong yeng henry borok kin yo pat laki jong ki kan bat nak benta ka wei kalong yeng lamang san lak tengka.
Already we have launched the MHS in 28 December 2018 and implementations of the MHIS and Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Ayogya Yojana will be effective from tomorrow onward, from the 1st February 2019. From tomorrow onward, those who have not been enrolled, not registered under the MHIS, if they are going to hospital for admissions, if they are admitted, we have taken it automatically will be registered under the MHS. All the facilities will be made available for those patients admitted from tomorrow onward under the MHIS.
Those who have not registered.
Suppose they have not registered, they have not done the enrollment. If they are going tomorrow for admission, admitted in the hospital, is taken as the MHIS patients. We are going to sign soon the MOU with all the private hospitals. Not like before in the phase 3, we have 5 in the family. This time we covered everybody. Those who are there, Meghalaya.
What about the common servants and their children?
That is the medical reimbursement is different. They will go as the medical reimbursement only. This is excluding them from the MHIS. If there's 10 also, will issue all members the individual card. Now it's 5 lakh rupees.
No, that is
the new facilities is even the diagnostic also, any kind of investigation. Also the test will be including in this MHIS now.